Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. So I took a break from sharing lots of AI training platforms with you guys. Today is quite different, right? So I've thought about it. I've been sharing a lot of them. I think it's time for me to start reviewing these platforms, okay? Maybe in my next video, I'm going to combine the platforms that have worked for me, the ones with little or no entry assessment, because guys, it's not all of them that I've been able to enter. These platforms are tough. So I said, instead of sharing more, let's review. Let's review the ones we've shared before. So let me know your thoughts in the comment. Out of all the platforms, Minddrift AI, Telus International, Luwell AI, Nivo, Stella, and the rest of them. How many of them have worked for you? Drop in the comments below. I'm trying to help you locate these platforms where you can actually get recruited to train AI. Yes, AI training jobs are all over the place. If you go to TikTok, Facebook, Instagram, YouTube, AI training is taking over. All right, you cannot be stuck in looking for data entry, remote job, customer service when you can actually cash out. So I said to myself, why not I tell you maybe one of the platforms that have worked for me that was not difficult for me to get in. And that's why I'm bringing Luwell AI to your way today again. We've shared it here in the past, right? I've shared it with you a while ago. I don't know how many of you signed up. Let me know in the comments if you signed up already. But before we continue, please subscribe to the channel, like, comment, and share. And I want to let you know that Luwell AI has open positions. What makes me happy is that it clearly stated there that they need English conversational audio, any accent. And then I opened it. It says any accent, be it British, Indian, Nigerian accent. Yeah, and this one is paying $19.80 per hour. Natural English conversation, record with a partner, okay? It must not be your husband or wife. Before I show you the jobs there, I want to let you know that Luwell AI is easy to get into. This is one of the platforms that I was able to just sign up. I can't remember if I uploaded a CV. They didn't tell me to hold on for review and then keep me there forever. They actually just accepted me into the platform. And since then, there has always been a job for me to do on this platform. They keep updating the jobs on maybe 2 or 3 days. New jobs are there, right? So if you have signed up before, let me know in the comments if you're getting jobs. I'm happy that some of you are coming up to tell me that, yes, bestie, I have been able to get a job in one of these AI training platforms. Why some of you keep quiet? I have also seen some of you tell me that you are getting your equipment. See, I just got this. This is one of my equipment as well, because I'm taking this seriously this time around. I'm taking certifications. I'm doing assessment tests, because you can't just go into assessment without practicing. So that one alone is on its own. If you want me to guide you through on how to pass your assessment for platforms like Meko, it's not a day's job. I've been practicing because I want to get in there. Yeah, we're looking at Luwell AI. Luwell AI did not give me headache at all to get in. So if you haven't registered already, go and sign up today after this video. I will leave, I don't think there's no referral link, but I'll leave the link to the platform itself in the description of this video. For those of you who are always asking for links, check the description. You'll find links that I mentioned in the video. All right, so let's go there, guys. Let's go there. I'm so excited to share this with you. As you can see, this is Luwell AI. Luwell AI. The website itself is called luwell.ai. All right, this is my dashboard. This is the tasks I have. This is my dashboard. All right, this is where all your earnings will be. And these are the available tasks or work that I can do right now. This one is for those that are multilingual. This is a read Norwegian script. You just read a script. They're paying $34.20 per hour. This one is read Finnish script, audio tasks, multilingual, $31.80 per hour. Tagalog conversational audio, record with partner, $19.80. I've been seeing lots of them. I don't know if you watched my video on Luwell AI itself, the first time I uploaded this video, you'd have seen that it was only American English conversational audio that was here. But today, as at today, they have English conversational audio, any accent. Yeah, these platforms I'm showing you are the real G. Okay, if you haven't signed up on Luwell, you're actually wasting time. Go and sign up. And I think it works for people from Nigeria, Ghana, and Africa as a whole. As you can see, let me open this one, English conversational, and show you. It says, important, wear headphones and record in a separate room from your conversation partner to prevent audio echo. So I'm going to also buy a headphone, guys. I do have, but I need to buy a better one. So it's important that you wear a headphone, okay, and record in a separate room from your conversation partner to prevent audio echo. Natural English conversation, any accent, record with partner. You're going to have a natural conversation in English with another person, not necessarily your husband. The partner can be anybody, using their in-app recording feature. You talk about anything. It can be your daily life, your daily activities, your hobbies, your work, opinions, or any topic you enjoy discussing, right? Then you invite a partner, share the recording link with a friend, family member, or anyone you want to have a conversation with. Both join the session. You and your partner connect through their platform. You have a natural conversation, talk naturally about any topic for 2 to 60 minutes. You both get paid $20 an hour. So I want to see you guys on this one, right? I want to see you guys on this particular one. If you haven't already signed up on Luwell AI, you are missing out. Go and sign up. Sign up after this video. All right, sign up after this video. So for the technical requirements, you need sample rate 48K Hz minimum, bit depth 16-bit minimum, channels mono or stereo, format WAV, handled automatically by their recorder. What makes great content? Natural turn taking and back and forth. The conversation is going to be natural turn taking and back and forth. You speak, keep quiet, your partner speaks, keeps quiet, you continue, like that. Back and forth. It's going to be a long conversation, right? Clear speech from both parties. Engaging, realistic conversation. Any English accent or dialect is welcome. No scripted readings or rehearsed content. No background music or TV. And let me now show you guys. You get paid $20 an hour for this. So if I'm ready now, I'll just click on recording. But once I click on recording, it means I'm ready to start a task, which I am not, okay? I'm obviously recording this video right now for you. Requirements, where I want to really talk about. Language is English, right? Any accent welcome, be it British, Indian, Nigerian, Australian, Filipino, Kenyan, South Africa, etc. 2 people required, you plus another person. If you guys are interested, please go and sign up on Luwell AI. I know that I've been battling seriously with getting AI training platforms that accept Nigerians without VPN. Yes, we are trying to do without VPNs because you can't continue to pay for VPN just because you want to earn online. So we've been trying to avoid that. But this one requested for you guys, Nigerians. Nigerian accent, like my accent, they say we can participate in this. So go and sign up on Luwell AI. This one is another one. Egocentric POV video recordings. Okay, it's a video tasks where you have to record your hands-on activity from a first-person perspective. They're paying $6.60 an hour. One good thing about this POV video is that it can just be about your daily life, what you're really doing, like your activity for that day. Maybe you want to cook, you want to clean. Just find a way to position your camera overhead and just carry on with your day. Okay, you're not gonna pause your life to do this particular one. That's one amazing thing about POV videos. So it's still open. It is still open for anyone that is interested in going for it. Egocentric POV video recordings. This one is here. First person point of view. There's another one here. Multi-step origami and pepper craft video is still here, paying $10.20. Okay, this one is also hotel cancellation customer support English, hotel room cancellation customer support English, $24, but it's closed. So if you go now, if you sign up now, I'm sure you'll get in, and once you get in, you start seeing tasks on your dashboard. That's one thing I like about Luwell AI. For me, Luwell AI is good and it accepts Nigerians as well. The payment method is Venmo, Wise, Stripe, and PayPal. PayPal is under maintenance, but I haven't set up this other one. If you don't have Stripe, Wise is good. I don't want to go into all of that, how to get a Stripe account from Nigeria. I don't want to go into all of that, but I've seen people, get it on YouTube. Yeah, I've seen some videos, although I don't need it because I already have 2 Stripe accounts. But I feel for you guys, and that makes me keep researching. I've been watching videos of how people are saying they are getting their Stripe account from Nigeria. Maybe I'll do more research and show you guys how you can actually get a UK bank account from Nigeria and then use it to open a Stripe account. But that's just all you need. Okay, but let's not go into all of that before they delete my video again. So guys, I thought to share Luwell again because Luwell is paying. Luwell is paying. I've seen amazing reviews about Luwell AI on TikTok. Yeah, that's what brought me back to talk about Luwell AI again. So let me know your thoughts. Let me just know your thought about Luel AI. If you managed to sign up the first time I shared the video, or you're just thinking about it still, let me know in the comment. Thanks so much everyone for watching. I have amazing videos coming up. I have more AI training platforms. I have certification videos for you. I have videos on skills that you need to start AI training. Let me know if you're interested in those videos. Drop in a comment. Thank you so much everyone. Please don't forget to like, comment, share, hype the video as well. Hype it because it helps YouTube to feature it to more people, and that will also encourage me to keep bringing you more amazing videos. Thank you for watching. I'll see you in the next one.